Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. In June 2023, we went to Dubai. It was a beautiful and magical place. It's like Disneyland for mature people like us. We will show you our travel and shopping videos in Dubai. Stay tuned on that. Anyways, before the reveal of our first DELVAUX bag, I would like to introduce you to DELVAUX. 10 things about DELVAUX that we thought you would be interested in. Take it as your DELVAUX 101 class. DELVAUX is a luxury leather goods company founded in Brussels, Belgium in 1829. The brand is known for its high quality leather goods, including handbags, wallets, and accessories. It is comparable to Hermes in terms of quality. Number 3. Delvaux is the oldest fine leather goods house in the world, about 194 years. 4. It's the official forebear to the Royal Court of Belgium since 1883. 5. The brand's most iconic designs are the Bria bag in 1958, the Tempeh in 1967, the Pin in 1972, Cool Box in 2018. 2021, the company was acquired by the Swiss conglomerate Richemont. Delvaux is now a sister of Cartier, Chloé, Piaget, Van Cleef and Arpels, and many more because of this acquisition. 8. Each bag contains a card with a serial number bearing the signature of the lead craftsman and is guaranteed for life. Number 9. Delvaux operates in 63 boutiques in the world compared to Hermes about 300 boutiques. And number 10, in the United States, it has only 3 boutiques. New York City, Fifth Avenue, the Nordstrom Valley Fair in San Jose, California, and Nordstrom South Coast Plaza in Costa Mesa, California. And there you have it, the 10 things about Delvaux. We hope that you learned something about this brand. Anyway, it's unboxing time. Who's excited for this one? This is the unboxing and the reveal of our first Delvaux bag. We are unboxing this one next to the Burj Khalifa. Here you go, Sebastian is unboxing this with you guys. And I'm doing a voiceover because it's much better this way because it was too noisy on that particular time. And then here he's showing you the sales associate that we have. Her name is Anna. She's very knowledgeable about Delvaux, the history of Delvaux, and everything about Delvaux. So it was a refreshing thing for us to really indulge with us with the this particular product. And here you go. It comes with the white dust bag with a gold embroidered name Delvaux on it. Here you go is the Cool Box Nano in Taurillon Soft-grained leather in baby blue color. So it's a box nano bag that we have. She's looking gorgeous. This one is a casual in attitude and boxy in shape. It opens and closes with great ease. One single gesture is all it takes. Simply by pulling the distinctive D-shaped metal clasp, the wide band of leather between the handles rises to reveal its special hidden zipper. And then this one comes with a removable and adjustable leather shoulder strap. The cool box can be held by its handles or hung off the arm A detachable strap lets you wear it over the shoulder or casually across the body. The Cool Box comes in three sizes: MM, Mini, and Nano. The one that we have right now is the Nano. So Sebastian is attaching the removable shoulder strap on each side of this one. A defining characteristic of Cool Box is its distinctive shape. It's like a box. It has six flat sides created by folding over one single piece of leather. And as you can see on this one, here you go, we already attached the adjustable strap, and then he's going to model it for you guys because it's really cool. And then there's also a strap for the handle, so which is really nice to make it intact. And then there's this cute little D ring that is kind of like charm for this one. If you are looking for a luxury leather goods, Delvaux is the brand worth considering. Here in the US, it retails at $2,650, but we got this one in Dubai for 9,238 dirhams, so which is equivalent to $2,515. We save about $125 from the tax refund for this one. Overall, we saved $360 from buying this one in Dubai than buying this one in United States. And that's all for today. Hopefully, we have learned something about Delvaux, and then hopefully you like this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo and Seb. We will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned on the travel video that we have and another unboxing for the trip that we had in Dubai. Thank you very much. We'll see you again. Do what makes you happy. Bye.